Hi, I'm Joan Jett from the Blackhearts, and you're watching Artisan News.
With the Revolver Golden Gods Awards hitting a high and heavy note late last week, another magazine, Alternative Press, has also seized the opportunity to present its artists and constituents with an awards ceremony. The inaugural Alternative Press Music Awards will take place at the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame on July 21st in Cleveland. Blink-182's Mark Hoppus will be hosting, and it will feature performances from Fall Out Boy, Joan Jett and the Blackhearts, legendary horror punk mavericks The Misfits, A Day to Remember, All Time Low, Brendan Urie of Panic at the Disco, Asking Alexandria, 21 Pilots, and many, many more to be announced, including a few surprise guests. Producing the awards will be Josh Bernstein, who produced The Golden Gods. A Day to Remember is up for Artist of the Year, Album of the Year, and Best Live Band. The group probably sees itself as more of an alternative press band than a Revolver band, and they talked about being different than most of the metal groups at the Revolver Golden Gods.
I mean, it's crazy, like we were saying. It's awesome that we're even included. We're not as much in the metal world as 99% of the other people here, so it's just cool to be included.
Pierce the Veil leads all nominees with 7. Other confirmed artists making appearances include Billy Corgan of the Smashing Pumpkins, Korn, Andy Biersack from Black Veil Brides, Machine Gun Kelly, and Frankie Palmieri of Amur, with more to be announced.